So I'm kind of an engineer. I have absolutely no design skills. I mean, none at all. I can't really open up Photoshop and do anything useful with it. I'm good with the tech, but I don't have an eye for what looks good. But AI is great at making up for our deficiencies. So this afternoon, I'm going to build an entire brand from nothing. So I'm going to get the name, the logo, the brand colors, the product photos, and a short product film, all of it. I'm going to show you the actual clock of me doing this because I think with AI it can be done very, very quickly. I'm a busy guy, so my rule is if I can't get this done very quickly here, then I'm going to just scrap it. But tons of side hustles that I can think of using a AI skill like this. There's lots of companies that want brands, that want, logos, that want all sorts of things. And if I'm able to provide it, that could be a business in and of itself, or I can package it with other things I do. I build websites for local businesses. Why not be able to offer building them a logo as well? So the product I'm going to do, it's a make-believe, but a small batch cold brew company. I picked that because it's a very crowded industry, very crowded category. And so if you don't have good branding, you're going to just be nothing. So that's why I picked that. I thought it'd be kind of fun. And the tool I'm going to be using is called Lovart, and I've been using them for pretty much all my design stuff now. I think it's maybe the best AI design tool out there right now. So I worked with AI, and we came up with the name for this company. We're calling it Kettle North. Is that good? I think that's pretty good for a cold brew coffee company. But let me know in the comments what you think of that name. But I'm over here in Lovart, and I'm just going to put in here, build a brand identity for a small batch cold brew coffee company called Kettle North. I need a logo, a brand color palette with type, and 3 product photos of the bottle on a concrete counter in warm morning light. AI helped me come up with that. And again, typo here, but what I love about AI is AI knows what you mean, so you don't have to type correctly. But we're going to just put this as one prompt. So we're not doing a color tool and a logo tool and all these different tools together. Just one prompt right here in Lovart. So let's go. So right away, it gets to work. And again, I love with AI, I don't have to sit here and wait for it, but I can go do other things. So I'll be back in a second. So here is what it came up with. So first, it came up with a color brand palette for us. And companies love something like this, like keeping the brand consistent. This is something I probably wouldn't even do for most of my companies because I'm not a design person, but this is good to do. It's good to have like a brand design template. So we know what fonts we're going to be using, what colors we're going to be using, and Lovart just put this all together just based on the name. So when it used coffee colors, deep espresso, midnight brew, oat milk, warm cream. So love that. So then it came up with a logo, Kettle North. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you think of that for a logo? Now, don't someone go out and steal this and start your cold brew company. Actually, it doesn't matter because this took me about 5 seconds to put together. So go use Lovart, come up with your own idea. But that's a pretty good logo. So then I had asked for the product photos. So it came up with this one on the concrete counter like I asked. That's a great picture for an ad or something. Here's the design with the bottle. That looks pretty cool. And another one with the bottle. I mean, these are good images. AI's come a long ways on this stuff. So we have all that. Now I want to make a video for this product. So we're going to go here to Agent. We're going to switch it to Video Gen. And we're going to pick Model here. And what I really want to test out is this Seedance 2.5 is new here on Lovart. So I want to check that out. You can see it costs a few more credits, but I want to see the output we get from Seedance 2.5. So let's make the duration 15 seconds. So we'll make it a little bit longer. We'll leave the resolution at 720. So in Seedance 2.5 is ByteDance's flagship video model. And it has universal ref and AV sync. And these two things actually matter quite a bit. Universal ref means that it holds on to references. So your person and your product stay consistent shot to shot instead of drifting into someone else, halfway through. That's what AI has done in the past. So an AV sync means that the audio and the video, the motion actually line up with each other. So those are two things that normally in the good old days of AI would give away AI video quite a bit, but we'll see how Seedance 2.5 does with these. So then we're going to take an image and we're going to select from the canvas. And let's use this one here. That's going to be our reference photo there. So what we're going to create is a 15-second product film using the exact bottle in the reference image, label unchanged, open on a slow push in on the bottle, sitting on a concrete counter in warm morning light, cut to a person picking it up and turning it over in their hands. I can just envision this as I'm typing it. Hands fully in frame, cut wide to the same person walking through a bright kitchen. Again, keep the misspellings. Bottle still visible. Keep the same person and the same bottle across all 3 shots. I am going to correct that one just so you guys know I misspelled across. Natural lighting, shallow depth of field, no added text or lettering on the screen. So, and this is the part I like. I'm not opening a timeline or a keyframe. I'm going to get that going. But I'm just describing what I would like to see in this video. So, and again, what I'm wanting is 3 shots, the same person, the same bottle. I want to see the hands because the hands is where AI's had a hard time. I specifically wanted to see hands because you guys know AI's done terrible with hands in the past. So we'll see how Seedance 2.5 does. All right, so this came back. Let's see how it looks. 15 seconds. That's a good start. Same bottle. Hands look pretty good. He's got some hand hair. That's legit. Kept the same bottle through the whole thing. That was pretty good. I mean, I just want to play around with this. Let me know. Would you know this was AI generated if I hadn't told you? I mean, things are just getting so much better. So it's pretty nice. All of these things, I created a couple more just to kind of see and what it did without the reference image. But I can call this workspace Kettle North. And then I have this workspace here. I can come back to it anytime and work on other things. I have the brand kit here, the logo here. I have the product images. And, I can do any design work here in this canvas that I want. So everybody shows you the generating part. You type a thing, a picture comes out, everybody claps, yada, yada, hooray. But this is not the part that decides whether you can actually use this for the client. The part that decides is what happens when the picture is like 90% right, but you need to make just a couple of changes. You need that last 10% fixed. So if you click on any asset, you get this bar up above. You can upscale, remove background, erase things, edit elements, edit the text. Let me click this bottle here. And this is something you can't normally do with AI generated images. Like normally, hey, this text here, that's part of the image. You have to regenerate the image. But Lovart, I can actually hit edit text and it goes through and pulls out the text itself. So let's say I wanted to change the name to Kettle South, for example. I can go ahead and edit that. I can even edit what's on the bottle down here below. Let's say the Southland blend. And then let's go ahead and run that. So it only took 7 credits and it changed the text. See, it says Kettle South now. So this is a game changer. AI has not been able to do this in the past, but if you send something over to the client and they want just like a little thing here or there changed, they want it pretty much the same, but hey, change the text here, I can do that. And I can do other cool things too. Like I'm going to click on this bottle here. I'm going to do edit elements. And we'll do auto split. So it's going to take the elements in this image and split them up into different things so I can move them around and manipulate them. So this looks pretty much the same, except for now I have this bottle that I can move around. So it detached parts of the image, and now I can kind of move this bottle to where I want it to be. I can resize it if I want to make it bigger. I could drop it on a different background. I can hand a client 3 versions of the same shot from a photo that didn't exist 20 minutes ago. So, and one more, and I don't even have to type for this one. I can click here for voice, take the bottle photo, and give me 1 version on a plain white background for the website. So I can give it instructions without even typing. Don't even have to use my fingers anymore. And there we go. We have an image with a white background that we could put on the website. So this is the whole thing. It made the assets. It let me fix them, take them apart, talk to it. And this is the part that decides whether you can sell this work to somebody else. So again, link to Lovart is down in the description. Go build something cool. Would love to see what you build. And honestly, some of this I think would be ready to ship today. If I had a customer come to me and say, hey, I need a brand kit and a logo for a coffee company, I confidently think I could have it for them in about 5 minutes. And you know what's funny is even if I tell them, hey, go use Lovart, you can make it yourself in 5 minutes, a lot of people won't do that. They just don't want to mess with it. They think it's going to be harder than it actually is. You watched me. I mean, is this something that you could do? You definitely could. Just type something in. But a lot of people don't want to mess with it. So that opens up an opportunity for you who are willing to go hop into AI where you can be way ahead of the game. You can be spinning up 50 brand kits a day. You could send a company, here's 10 brand kit ideas I came up for your company. Which do you like the best? But link is in the description for Lovart. Go try it out. Create something cool. Show your friends, show your family. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you guys create. So in start to finish, I forgot to show the clock on the screen, but the image part of it took about 1 minute. And then the video part took about 2 minutes. Okay, so this really did not take hardly any time at all. I think this whole process took me, even recording and doing other stuff, took me about 10 minutes to get this all done. So again, shout out to Lovart for building something so cool. I mean, it's just amazing. I've been using them for all my thumbnails. Pretty much anything graphical I need to use or to create, I use Lovart for it. So link down in the description. Go try it out. Thank you guys all for watching. If you like AI tools and just seeing what's out there, please like and subscribe. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.